is Ablekuma North.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana and SEM TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
You may recall that his predecessor, Dr. Kasiel Atuforsen, assured the House last week that the issue of violence related to the Ablekuma North parliamentary elections will be taken up. This side of the House had raised a serious protest on the way and manner the Electoral Commission was being pounded by the NDC Greater Accra Regional Party. In fact, Mr. Speaker, the NDC Regional Party, led by its regional organizer, led some party members to attack the EC Coalition Center. And the EC issued a public statement to condemn the act and pleaded with the police to intervene to protect them. Mr. Speaker, this was the basis of the protest we raised. Mr. Speaker, when business statements are read, it is the responsibility of any member of this House to raise a matter of national interest for the leader of government business to ferry same to government for address. It was on that basis that Dr. Kasiel Atuforsen assured the House that Dr. Kasiel Atuforsen assured the House that he will take steps to address the matter. Mr. Speaker, as we speak, the EC has not received the necessary protection from the Elections Security Task Force to enable it conclude the collation and final declaration of Ablekuma North parliamentary elections. Mr. Speaker, the Electoral Commission complained of threat to the lives of its staff. The Electoral Commission complained of destruction of its properties. I would want my respected colleague who has just come to take steps in ensuring that Dr. Dampari, the IGP, who is the head of the Election Security Task Force, is able to provide sufficient security to enable the EC undertake its constitutional mandate. Mr. Speaker, we raise this as a serious democratic matter because it is a blot on our otherwise peaceful democracy. This is supposed to be a 276-member chamber. We are 275. The people of Ablekuma need a representation, and government must take steps in ensuring that the Electoral Commission declares. Thank you.
Do something. No business. Take your hands off Ablekuma North. Ablekuma needs a voice. They must be represented. You are representing your people. They are also Ghanaians. We must represent them.
Honorable members, the business statement as presented to us is hereby adopted. Yes, leader. Any directive? We have adopted the business statement.
Sit down, one conspiracy. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. What are you talking about? One conspiracy. Sit down. What are you talking about? This is what? What are you talking about? You are representative. Nobody will get up. You are representative of conspiracy. Sit down. Tell him to sit down. What are you talking about here? Sit down. Tell him to sit down.
Honorable members of Afenyo, that is the 276 member house. It's Ablekuma North. It's a 276 member house. A 276 member house. Where is Ablekuma North? No business here. It's a 276 member house. Where is Ablekuma North?